Oh wow! Did you guys do any hiking?
No, we're just here for photography, really.
Is it? Because there's one of the, like, going on top of the mountain, right on top is good. But then this is a place that I really liked a lot. I call it 360 degrees because the viewpoint. See if you guys can, yeah. It's not a big deal.
Yes.
This you could say is rated 3 in the scales.
Yeah.
That's 2, and then if you really want to go for a hike, then there's another one over there. Okay, but enjoy yourself. You know, this tea is incredibly special. In fact, there was an article in the Independent newspaper about Kolukkumalai tea.
Yeah.
Because one, like black salt.
Brother, I'm sorry to interrupt.
Yes.
You know how many times he came?
Outside. Yep.
This is the 4th time.
Oh wow.
Mr. Ball.
Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah.
Ball.
Because like black salt,
Yeah.
which is very different because the pollution, this tea itself is different. Now, if you take a hike around, there's this Brahmi, see there's the Brahmi here. It's meant for the brain. It basically rejuvenates your brain. Now, in the plains, it grows so big. Over here, it grows so small. In other words, that's the way our tea itself is. So the caffeine itself has a different quality to it.
Yeah.
You know, the things that we don't really see.
Yeah.
But because the height, everything grows slow. The caffeine, I would say, I would think of this as a mind medicine.
Yeah.
This particular caffeine,
Yeah.
because it grows so slow. How you evaluate it is have the tea and check how you're going to sleep at night.
Yeah.
And what about the tannin levels?
The what?
Tannin.
I'm
No?
sorry.
Okay.
No, I didn't get the word. What is that?
Tannin.
Tanning?
Tannin.
You know the tannin, which like wine has tannin.
I think you called it caffeine.
Caffeine.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, it's different.
okay.
It is, but
Yeah.
oh, right. Okay.
Yeah.
It's a caffeine actually.
Yeah.
The caffeine actually is a little bit more concentrated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like,
I do.
you know, one thing, I live in US, I live in Los Angeles. So whatever grows in Los Angeles grows big,
Yes.
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
But the taste might not be there.
Yeah.
Here everything is a little bit more condensed, but then it's a little bit more intense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
And so the tea also would follow the same pattern, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, do you drink your tea in Los Angeles?
Yeah, I do, of course. I was not a tea drinker till I took over, like I took over the management about 6 years ago.
Yeah.
Now I started drinking tea.
Yeah.
I'm a coffee drinker.
Yeah, exactly. In America, it's all coffee.
Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. Listen, I'll give you my number in case you would like to keep in touch. Like I mean, like
So this is the Brahmi, the one which we were...
Tea